Mix these 3 ingredients and say goodbye to varicose veins. Guaranteed results. In brief moments, a written explanation. Varicose veins are usually a very painful condition, as well as unsightly and annoying. While it is true that there is a wide variety of medical treatments and remedies to combat this condition, none of them manages to give the promised results, and even if they do, soon the varicose veins appear again. If you consult the doctor, it is likely that he will recommend some costly treatment and not at all effective when treating this condition. Well, we will give you a natural alternative with which you will be able to fight varicose veins, and it will only take you little time a day. Look how to prepare it. Natural recipe to combat varicose veins. The natural recipe to cure the varicose veins that we will show you next will also help you rest your legs and improve the appearance and health of your skin in them. Beyond the natural method that we will show you next, to eliminate the varicose veins quickly and definitely, we invite you also to follow a healthy diet, rich in fresh and nutritious foods, to keep your veins healthy. In addition, regular physical exercise is also highly recommended when it comes to improving the circulation of your blood, to avoid the formation of varicose veins. Let's now see the natural recipe to cure varicose veins in just 30 minutes, which pharmacists do not want you to know. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of aloe vera pulp, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, a grated carrot. Preparation method: 1. Take a bowl, and mix all the ingredients inside it until a very homogeneous paste is obtained. You can also use the blender, in order to obtain a more concentrated paste. 2. Heat the preparation in the microwave for 20 seconds. 3. Apply the preparation on your legs, then placing a bandage over them. 4. Stretch your legs up and hold them in this position for 5 minutes. 5. Finally, try to rest your legs a few more minutes, with the preparation on them. Apply this powerful natural recipe to cure varicose veins when you get home after a hard day's work. Perform the treatment 3 times a week, for a month in a row. We assure you that the results will impact you. Recommendation: make small walks off the days. This will help improve blood circulation and thus avoid the appearance of varicose veins in the future. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.